So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with.
I was following Google, and where it said to turn off to Nandroya Falls, there was nothing there. So I was a bit bummed, and then I just took the next turn off to a creek, I can't forget the name of it, but that's actually the access to Nandroya Falls. So it's a 2.2k walk to the falls, and it does have that stinging needle plant here. So it's got it's quite big leaves, and it's got like super fine little stinger needles on there that you can't really see, but yeah, they're very, very painful. Honestly, there is just no other place in the world I would rather be than out in a forest like this on my own, with nothing but the sound of nature. Frogs and birds, waterfall in the distance. Can you get emotional again? Oh, it's so beautiful, and I've got it to myself. This is ridiculous, it's all conspired. I think this one's going to blow me away too. I can see some beautiful pools of water down there. I think it's definitely time for a swim. Oh my God.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road is calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me. To run away with me. To run away with me. To run away with me.
That swim was just what I needed, but gee, I'm tired now. There were a few other people, just one group of people and another lady there, and the guys got in the water, and I was quite glad because I feel safer when going in the water when there's someone else there. There's a longer path you can take which takes you along the actual creek where you see more water. Sorry, I just climbed some steps. You'll see more waterfalls, but it's getting late in the day and I'm just so tired today. And I forget how, like, swimming in fresh water, it's a lot harder than salt water because you're not buoyant, you don't float as much. So anyway, yes, I'm wrecked now. So I'm not sure where I'll stop tonight. I can't stay here because I don't have any phone reception. So yeah, I've done 3 waterfalls today, and I did want to see Waterfall Falls as well. So I don't know, maybe I'll do that tomorrow and just find somewhere to stay for the night. Wow, what a day. 3 waterfalls, 3 amazing waterfalls. They were really spectacular. Yeah, I started off, I knew I was a bit tired when I started today, so even though I woke up at 5:30, I've just been feeling a bit run down this week. So yeah, anyway, I need to head south because I have a package I need to pick up. It's on its way this week. I will do a video on what that is soon. But yes, so I was blown away by all those waterfalls, but I was going to do Josephine Falls as well, but that I've got to head north again for that. And it's not too far north, but I'm ready to go south now. So anyway, I'm parked up at Innisfail tonight, and yeah, I will head on to Townsville tomorrow, but I'll stop at Waterfall Falls on the way. And yeah, I don't think I'll stay in Townsville. I think by Monday morning I might just head down to Airlie Beach again because I love it there. So then I can spend a week or two, or maybe not because I have to pick up my delivery. So I don't know. I'll stay there for a little bit and then I'll start heading back down to Brisbane. So yeah, good day. And it's got this beautiful spot just to sit and have some food now. Thanks so much for watching that video. If you haven't met me before, my name is Christy. I live, work and travel Australia in my van Gypsy. I am an artist and my artwork is available as prints or on t-shirts and bags on my website. The link is in my bio.